My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2022 MG ZS. This vehicle has done just under 24,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we have key features such as vehicle, 360 degrees camera, user profiles to choose from, AC, weather, navigation, radio and charging. We also have Apple and Android CarPlay. The ZS comes with 3 different driving modes to choose from. So we're currently using Eco, and we can switch to normal or sport. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather interior and get a good view of the panoramic roof. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.